So what's the real difference between a benign and a malignant tumor? Let's get right into it.
Okay, so it all starts with this thing called neoplasia, which, really just means new growth. But here's the thing, this new growth can go down two totally different paths.
First up, you've got benign tumors. They pretty much stay put. They grow, but they don't spread.
Then you have malignant tumors. That's cancer. And these guys, they invade and spread all over the place.
So let's break down the 4 key ways we tell these two apart. It's pretty straightforward.
First is how much they look like normal cells. Benign cells are almost perfect copies. Malignant ones, not so much. Benign tumors also tend to stay inside a capsule they're contained. Malignant tumors just invade surrounding tissue.
And that brings us to the most dangerous part, metastasis, spreading to distant places. Only malignant tumors do this.
So, what's going on that gives these cells such dangerous powers? Well, it's all in their DNA.
Scientists have found 8 core changes, they call them the hallmarks of cancer, that make this transformation happen.
Think of these hallmarks as superpowers that let a normal cell go completely rogue and break all the rules. They let cells grow non-stop and invade. Let's zoom in on 2 really key ones.
You've got oncogenes. They're like a gas pedal that's stuck to the floor, just telling the cell, grow, grow, grow.
And at the same time, the brakes fail. The genes that should say, stop dividing, are just switched off.
Okay, but how does a tumor actually spread? Well, it's a whole process called the metastatic cascade.
It's basically a 4-step breakout. Cells detach, invade, travel through the body, and then set up shop somewhere new.
And they use the body's own highways to do it, usually the bloodstream or the lymphatic system. And that ability to spread is what makes cancer a systemic disease. It's not just a local problem.
One of the most serious effects is something called cachexia. It's a severe wasting of muscle and fat.
Now here's the crazy part. Our own immune system is constantly on the lookout for cancer cells to destroy. So for a cancer to survive, it has to get really good at hiding from our immune system.
Which means a huge part of fighting cancer today is about helping our own immune system see the enemy again.